Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to obtain your ShipStation API key to generate it with Lojua. This connection will help you synchronize both platforms and optimize your order management. So let's get you started. The first step would be to go to ShipStation.com and log in with your username and your password. After that, you're going to go ahead to the right corner and click on Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Account, then click on API Settings. Select API v1 and click on Generate API Keys. Once you have your keys, you're going to copy API key and secret key. And that's it. Now you have your credentials needed to connect to ShipStation with Lojua. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out.